He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
Good evening. We are up here at the boat. We're moving a big box around that has the mattress for the bed in there. And we are not sponsored. We paid our own money for this mattress, and of course, as soon as we get it open, we're going to go and cut it up so it fits on the angle bracket in there. But we've finally wrestled it down here. We need to roll it out, find a pair of scissors, and cut the puppy.
I think that's the bottom.
Yeah.
Shall we turn it over?
I want to get rid of this plastic here. Where's the foot and where's the head?
We got it exactly backwards.
Right. Dynasty mattress.
Where's the zipper? You got a zipper on your side?
I think we gotta wait till it gets more inflated.
Yeah, okie dokie.
Hey, you're taking room up on my bed.
Okay. What you got, honey?
Should be some drawer slides for the forward bedroom. Drawers. Oh, goodness, gonna have it. These are 24 inch.
Okay.
So these are the middle drawer.
We're gonna open the other one?
Yep. Nope, just the 28s. So I guess the other ones come in tomorrow.
Oh, there's a knife right there.
Yes, well, I just used them a little
Oh.
bit. Holy cow, these things are a beast.
What are the other size?
Oh, well, maybe they are in here. 21. But I'm missing one. Nope, 2 sets in here. Yep, 20 inches. Okay.
All right.
This is all of our hardware for the drawers.
Well, I think we're done for the evening.
Well, I got some measuring to do out front.
Oh.
Outside. I want to pop open the 32s here. Yeah, it's a beefy piece of hardware.
For all our heavy clothes.
Yeah.
All right, so we got, what sizes?
32, 24, and 20.
Let's go measure.
Okay.
Later. Hello, we are up at the boat. Hopefully our mattress has expanded. We're gonna go check it out now. Then we're gonna cut it. Supposed to be 10 inches.
Pretty close to 10. Not adding anything to it.
Oh. Perfect.
The cover on it. Okay, I fit.
Ooh, it's hot in here.
Yeah.
Well, let's put the sock back on. And the other thing, good night.
Yeah. Later.
I'm out. It's too hot. Wake up.
Wake up.
Time to get up.
So mean. 5 more minutes. Hello. We are back up at the boat. I guess we're going to do a little bit of work on the cabinet drawers for the forward bedroom there, and also some air conditioning planning for the forward bedroom. Get the boat nice and cleaned up. So we're up here to do for a little while today. Later. Yeah. There's insulation now in the engine room. I wish it was installed, but that gets it out of the way of doing stuff upstairs. We are going to mount the engine, hopefully. That piece is going to go right there. Anyway, we're going to hang the engine right there for the moment, the outboard engine, so that it is out of our way in the foyer. Drilled out some Greg screw holes in the back, and then I've marked out this pattern right here, and then we're going to come up from the bottom with some additional screws to hopefully hold it in place. Later. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the Greg screw ones in. Put some screws in from the bottom here. You have me one of those mat things beside you. Okay. Oh, it's so much better.
So comfy.
Take another nap here.
You sure you don't want me to lift it?
Yeah. Oh, yep.
You tightening it?
Yeah.
Okay.
One, and the other one becomes loose. Okay. Well, there's one over there. Cool.
Okay.
Look how much more room we have all of a sudden.
So that's the wet locker. It's still missing a wall to divide between the wet locker and the port bathroom.
So we've spent the past hour mucking around with the pieces of wood for the drawers. They're 8-inch deep drawers, so we'll use 6-inch sides. We've figured out our slides and all of our dimensions. Let's see, because of course you got to offset because wood's inside and outside and whatnot. So hopefully we got this right. Yeah, so we got 36-inch drawer, 24-inch drawer, and a 20-inch drawer. And it's 13, 11 16ths, 14 and an 8, 14th and 8th, and then the slides for the 36-inch drawer just a little bit bigger, or a little bit thicker. And then you got your bottom deltas, and then the only thing that's constant are 36, 24, and 20. So anyway, there's all of our pieces. We're going to take them out to the car because the chop saw, which is what we use to cut these,